Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is the day that Dory and I each give you the theme that we will have for May of 2026. I can't even believe it is May 2026, or will be in such a short time. We do Amaya Raine Day every month on the 3rd of the month. Yeah, I'm going kind of fast there because I want to get over to my Rainbow High dolls. I have a lot of Rainbow High dolls, mostly in boxes. But what we want you to do is on the 3rd for Amaya Raine Day, the 16th for Dolls Gone Goth, and on the 18th for Hi Barbie is pick your favorite of that group. And if you have to whisper so your other dolls don't hear in your videos, we understand. Show us your favorite on the 3rd with Amaya Raine Day, the 16th with Dolls Gone Goth, and the 18th with Hi Barbie. Show us your favorite of each of those categories and tell us why they're your favorite. And like I said, we understand if you whisper. Go by and see Dory's video today. We do hope you'll join in. It's a lot of fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Oh gosh, I do have a lot of Rainbow High in boxes. This is just a glimpse. And thank you for watching.